All dear students, as you know that in the previous session we have studied about aggregate demand and aggregate supply, but in the present session we will know about the aggregate demand in four sector economy. So step by step we will know about AD. So there are three equations. AD equal to C plus I, this is the first equation, and in this equation there are two sectors, household sector and production sector. And in the second equation, AD equal to C plus I plus G, there are three sectors. This is closed economy. So G for government sector. So here are three sectors: household sector, production sector and government sector. And in the third equation, AD equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, this is called four sector economy, because in it external sector is included. So dear students, you should know all the time that in the four sector economy external sector is included. Now we will discuss about the relation of aggregate demand with price level. As it is declared in the diagram, if P is the initial price and Q is the initial quantity, when price shift from P to P1, it means when the price increased then the quantity decreased. It comes from Q to Q1. But when the price decreases, it comes from P to P1. Again, I am telling you, when price decreased from P to P2, then the quantity increased. It is Q to Q2. So we can say that there is a negative relationship between price level and aggregate demand. So we can say that when the price increases, then aggregate demand decreases, and when the price decreases, then aggregate demand increases. Relation of aggregate demand with income level. So we can say that there is a positive relationship between income level and aggregate demand. When the price increases, then it means income is increases, or we can say that when the income increases, then aggregate demand also increases. But when the income decreases, then aggregate demand also decreases. So there is a positive relationship. So once again I am telling you the aggregate demand, its meaning. Aggregate demand refers to the sum total of demand for all the goods and services in an economy during the period of an accounting year. It is aggregate or total expenditure on final goods and services in the economy. If people tend to spend more than what they were spending on goods and services earlier, it means rise in aggregate demand, and vice versa. Aggregate demand can be related with price level and income level. So all the time we should know that there is a negative relationship between price level and aggregate demand, and there is a positive relationship between income and aggregate demand. So related question will be given to you, so you have to complete your work in your fair notebook, and you should know that there are four sectors in the economy which is included in aggregate demand, and we can find out external sectors means net export, that is the X minus M, export and M for import. When import is subtracted from the export, then we will get net exports. So dear students, the related question will be given to you, and you have to complete the work in your fair notebooks, and you have to send the image of the completed work on my personal contact number.